or group who has significantly contributed to the growth of the P-pop genre.
SB19 bags a prestigious award at the 9th P-pop Music Awards 2024. First of all, congratulations to all the winners of the 9th P-pop Music Awards 2024. SB19 may not have bagged the most awards at the said event, but they have received the prestigious award being named the P-pop icon. If we say P-pop icon, they are considered the important symbol of P-pop, being widely admired for having great influence or significance in P-pop. As Miss I had said, the said award is for the artist or group who has a significant contribution to the growth of P-pop genre and considered the trailblazer to the Philippine pop music scene. And this definitely sums up the journey and success of P-pop king SB19.
Award for this evening is the P-pop Icon Award. This prestigious award honors a Filipino artist or group who has significantly contributed to the growth of the P-pop genre. They are considered a trailblazer in the Filipino pop music scene with a lasting impact on the industry and a growing global presence. The P-pop Icon Award is presented to SB19. Joining us on stage is the founder and chairman of P-pop Music Awards, Mr. Yuan Kiblat.
And here is Josh Cullen, the group's representative, receiving the award.
Yes, to receive this award because he has no idea, yes, that they will be receiving such a prestigious award. Josh, congratulations.
Woo! Nagsi-CR pa ako eh. Gulat ako. Pero, una sa lahat, P-pop. Yes, P-pop Icon Award. Gusto ko lang syempre mag-share ng story. Kasi, when I was 16 years old, quiet. Pero when I was 16 years old, talagang parang na-inspire ako or na-fell in love ako with performing. Not to myself, pero dun sa mga pinapanood ko mag-perform ng mga artists, celebrities, and syempre visionaries. And na-realize ko, ang galing nitong ganitong concept. Yung natitel mo yung stories mo through art, performing, singing, and dancing. Doon ako nakakakita ng idea na, what if maging ganito ang Pilipinas? What if lumawak pa ang kultura ng culture and the arts natin? Kasi, alam nyo, I got an opportunity before to perform abroad to represent the Philippines for another competition. At doon mas lumawak yung vision ko. Doon ko na-realize na sana balang araw maging katulad ng America, K-pop, J-pop, or alam niyo, just pop in general. Pero on that level, yung Pilipinas. And kaya ako sinishare to because there were times na naalala ko yung mga unang sampa namin sa mga interviews sa TV. Ang tawag sa amin, Filipino K-pop. Ako, matigas ulo ko, sinasagot ko. Sabi ko, hindi po Filipino K-pop. Nag-isip ako ng closest word na pwede nating i-relate sa Philippine pop. So I said, P-pop. P-pop po kami. And of course, ngayon, P-pop has grown so much. There was this, actually, my good friend, recently nagkwentuhan kami. Then sabi niya, na parang napagkwentuhan namin yung, alam niyo yung The Greatest Showman? And did you know the song, A Million Dreams? Kasi similar na ni Hugh Jackman, feel ko, ganun ako. Parang pag may na-envision ako, baliw, masyadong mataas, ambitious. And meron doon, my favorite line was, "A million dreams for a world we're gonna make." And right now, I feel like we're more than a million already. Diba? And yung million dreams na yon, sama-sama natin tutuparin. Para sa industry, para sa P-pop, maraming salamat po. Thank you so much.
Congratulations, Mr. Josh Cullen and the rest of SB19 for the P-pop Icon Award. And yes, totoo yun, guys. I would host events before and I would see the script, and the description of SB19 before would be Filipino K-pop group. And I would correct also the script na hindi po, P-pop po yan.